In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Calendar appointment schedule and booking feature. This tool is a fantastic way to manage your meetings effortlessly and ensure that your schedule remains organized and accessible. To get started, open up your browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can find this by either typing in the URL directly or searching for it through your preferred search engine. Once there, you'll notice a Create button prominently positioned in the top left corner of the page. Clicking on Create will reveal a drop-down menu with different options for event types. Here is where the magic happens. Look for and select the appointment schedule option. This feature is specifically designed to help you block out time slots within your calendar that people can book, which is particularly useful if you manage a busy schedule with many external meetings. Next, dive into the specifics by entering the appointment details. You'll want to add a title that clearly conveys the purpose or content of the appointment. Then, set the duration. Whether it's a 15-minute check-in or a longer session, defining this helps manage expectations and keeps everything running on time. Ensure you also fill in the date and time fields to indicate when you're available for these appointments. Once this information is filled in, go ahead and click on Next. At this point, you have an opportunity to personalize the experience further. You might want to add a professional touch by updating your photo, or you could specify a location if the meeting isn't virtual. These additional settings allow you to essentially tailor the experience to fit your needs. Don't forget to click on Save. This action ensures that all of your meticulously entered details are preserved and that your schedule is ready to be shared. To make it easy for others to book time with you, you need to share this appointment schedule. Find the schedule you've just created within the calendar grid and select it. A share button will appear, and upon clicking it, you'll see an option to copy link. This link is what you'll use to guide others to your booking page. Now, paste this link wherever you choose to share it, whether it's in an email, a message, or integrated into your website. When someone follows the link and lands on your booking page, booking an appointment becomes straightforward. They simply select a time, enter their details, and click on Book. The entire process streamlines your workflow by funneling appointment requests into allocated slots, helping to maintain control over your calendar. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to leveraging Google Calendar's appointment and scheduling capabilities to simplify your scheduling process and remain effortlessly organized.